Hey guys, this is Karol yet with another affiliate marketing video, and today we are going to look at how you can actually start promoting affiliate links on Instagram even if you're just starting out and you have zero following. Alright, so without further ado, let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so how can you start promoting affiliate products on Instagram when you have zero following, when you're just starting out? Now, in this video, I'm going to give you the blueprint on how to actually grow your Instagram account and your audience organically, which means free traffic. Okay, no paid ads, nothing like that. It's going to be purely free and organic traffic. So gradually speaking, we're going to go through how to actually set up your account properly. Later on, we're going to go through what types and kind of content you can post. And later on, if you wait until the end, I'm going to give you 2 tips and tricks that are going to help you tremendously to grow and multiply your growth on Instagram very, very quickly. Okay, so let's get straight into it, shall we? Now, first of all, guys, if you are just starting out and you have zero following, I want you not to freak out, okay? It's completely normal, it's fine, okay? Even the biggest account started at 0. This blueprint I personally use, and I started my Instagram very recently, and I've seen very good results from using this blueprint, okay? So let's get straight into it. Let's get, first of all, how to set up your Instagram account, okay? That's the first step. So your Instagram account will look something like this, okay? So you have your profile picture over here. That's going to be you, okay? So put a very nice photo over there that represents yourself, your personality, okay? And then you will have kind of like 4 lines over here for the text. Now, these are the sentences that you want to put that really speak to your targeted audience, okay? Think about your ideal customer, okay, and think what will speak to them, what will actually, be representing your particular niche and your product, and what is going to speak to your audience, okay? Think about something like this, if you are in fitness, for example, or lose weight or something like this, you can put something like want to get into the best shape of your life, or whatever, something like this, okay? Think about that and think about your targeted audience, what could speak to them. Now, the fifth line is going to be your link. Now, what I don't want you to do over here in the link, okay, in this link is to put straight your affiliate link, just put it over there, okay? Don't do that, okay? I think that's really a waste of the opportunity, I would say. And to everybody, I recommend to create a sales funnel around your affiliate product, around your affiliate link, which means including a landing page where you collect the emails of the prospects, and you put them through a sales funnel, including a bridge page, and kind of like you create a universe for these people, your own universe where you take them through, and then later on the end is the final product, okay? This way it's not only going to multiply your conversions tremendously, but it's going to also create a rapport and connection relationship with your audience. You will be able to follow up with them through email marketing, and you can later on sell or offer them later on other products, or again remind them of your product first, because many people are not going to buy the product straight away, okay? That's important. If you do it just like this, you're going to waste these people, because once they click on this and they will see that this is a paid product, they are never going to go back to that link, okay? Now, if you are interested in this and you want to learn a little bit more about this, how to actually build such sales funnel, okay, such conversion model, then I have a 4-day video series where I go in great detail about all of that, okay? It's completely free, so if you are interested in that, go ahead and grab it in the description below, all right? And you get full access to it, and I will see you inside of it. All right, so let's move on, okay? So this is your account. So again, highly recommend to create a sales funnel, put your link to the landing page, and that's it, all right? Now, if you are just starting out, you have your account over here. What I don't want you to do is to buy some followers or something like this, okay? Buy followers, no, okay? This is, I know it, you will get those offers, especially when you start out, but don't do it. It's a waste of money and time, really, because even though I know it looks better if you have 1,000 followers than 0, but believe me, you know, having those 1,000 followers doesn't help you in any way, because those people are not gonna engage with your post, they are not gonna buy from you, you know, so don't do that. It's a really waste of time. Also, don't do follow for follow. It's again exactly the same. They're not gonna, you know, do anything any good to your account. Focus on creating and generating that growth with this method. Okay, this is going to help you and is going to actually be very, very useful. So what type of content, let's move on to the content, which is the number 2. What type of content can you actually do and create? So first of all, we have posts, all right, which is you can create a photo, you know, and put some description to it. Then later on we have let's say stories. Okay, story, which is those 24 hours, all right, in the at the top, and people can see it for 24 hours and then they disappear. Then we have the IGTV, which is for long videos. I think it's from 30 seconds up. And then we have my favorite, IG Reels. All right, now I'm going to explain why it is my favorite, but first of all, I want you to understand that all of these types of content are important and have their place in you building and creating your growth on Instagram. Okay, a great way or the best balance is literally use all of these 4, and that's when you will see the best results. Now, why did I mention IG Reels are my favorite? It's because what IG Reels are pretty much Instagram's way or Instagram type of TikTok videos. Okay, these are these short 30-second videos. Now, what Instagram is trying to do, obviously TikTok is booming and seeing tremendous, you know, success. So what Instagram is trying to do is they want to emulate the success of TikTok. So what they are doing is they are actually promoting the accounts that are creating these reels. So even if you have 0 following, your reels can get to in front of loads and loads of even hundreds of new audience that are not even connected to your account. And that's exactly what we want to do when we are just starting out and we want to build our audience on Instagram. Okay, so IG Reels, very, very powerful, especially now. Okay, create those reels and you will get a boost also from Instagram. So that's amazing. Now, again, bottom line is very important, a consistency. Okay, be there every single day, daily, put that content out. All right, now, I've mentioned at the beginning that if you wait until the end, I'm going to give you 2 tips that are going to help you tremendously, all right? And these are the 2, here we go. So first of all, what you want to do is do something called Dream 100, all right? Dream 100. This means you're going to put a list of 100 accounts that are in your category, in your niche, or very similar or connected to it. Put it down on your notepad and then start following these people. Okay, now again, think about your niche. You know, I'm in the make money online niche, so obviously I'm going to follow the top affiliate marketers, the top people that are in the making money online category, right? However, I'm going to also follow some people that are related to this, like for example, you know, motivational speakers are obviously connected to making money as well. So I'm going to follow, you know, accounts like Tony Robbins, you know, Jim Rohn, other people, Zig Ziglar, and so on and so forth. You can find loads of them. Now, you might seem a little bit that, you know, 100 is easy, but after 20-30, you will need to do some research about it. But do that, okay? Start following them. Don't do any follow for follow or your friends, okay? That's not gonna help you. This is going to help you tremendously. I did this and I multiplied my following by 50% just by doing this simple thing, simple action, okay? So do this and you will see while you're doing this, people are going to start following you as well. All right, now that's the one type. And the second, what we want to do is before and after, when you're going to post your either posts or reels or whatever content, what you want to do is do engagement. Now, this means that for 15 minutes before, okay, and 15 minutes after. Excuse my handwriting. So 15 minutes before and 15 minutes after you post your content, you're going to engage with other accounts posts. Okay, you're going to like them, you're going to comment on them, and what it actually does is it warms up the Instagram algorithm, all right, and you're going to get your post, your content is going to get in front of a larger audience, and you're going to see better results. Now, this again, I'm using this for my own Instagram account, and I've seen it just for a few days, really good results, and literally my content was shown in front of a larger audience. All right, guys, so this is pretty much it for today's video. All right, I hope you got tremendous value from it. Give me a thumbs up if so. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about it. All right, if you got some aha moments, let me know as well. If you want, subscribe to my channel if you're not yet. And listen, guys, if you are interested in affiliate marketing and you want to learn more about pretty much everything what we talk about, okay, how to actually create those sales funnels, how to actually build those audiences, and how to actually use free traffic and pretty much traffic at all right, if you are interested in that, I have a 4-day video series where I talk in great detail about that. So if you want it, get it in the description below. It's completely free, you get full access to it. So if you go for it, I will see you inside of it. If not, completely fine, I will see you in the next videos, and by then have a great rest of the days. Bye guys.